Want to learn book writing software you can use as a faith-based entrepreneur? Well, sis, grab your pen and paper because in this How to Write a Book and Make Money Online series, I'm going to go over my favorite book writing software so that you can take action and get your book done.
Sister in Christ, welcome to the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel, a resource for faith-based authors to learn how to write a book and make money online with passive income streams as a Christian author. Subscribe now to get weekly videos to help you get started. Let's dive into the video.
Hey, it's your girl, Stephanie Rodnez, founder and CEO of Godlywood Girl, creator of Godlywood Girl University TV. And my purpose in life is to create resources that help you step into your purpose as a faith-based author. So in line with that mission, make sure you grab my free How to Write an Ebook checklist to help you get started on your journey. You'll be able to download this and then take action on the steps. There's a little explanation on each page. You'll be able to download this and take action on the steps. Make sure you click the link in the description box below to get your free copy. Now, if you're ready to learn book writing software that you can use in order to get started with your first book, grab your pen and paper. Let's dive in. So my first favorite book writing software that I want to tell you about is, of course, Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. Now, Microsoft Word is a paid software, so I can understand why some people don't want to use it. But the reason why I love this software is because it allows me to modify my book pages, my book size, my formats, my margins, all that good stuff that you need to self-publish a nonfiction book. All of that is available on the Microsoft Word platform. My second favorite book writing software to use as a faith-based author is Google Docs. Google Docs. Now, Google Docs is free, right? It is free. All you need is a Gmail address and you get access to the G Suite and you can go ahead and use Google Docs. I love this one. Now, it is not, in my opinion, it doesn't have as many bells and whistles as Microsoft Word does, but you can really do the same, almost the same thing. You can change your margins, you can add your footers, your headers, you can insert your table of contents, all the things you need to do for a book writing software. And my third favorite book writing software, and the one that I believe everybody should be using but is paid, is Adobe In Design. Adobe In Design. Now, Adobe In Design lets you do all those fun things in those books that you read, like having like the really big first letter of the paragraph and just inserting really cool quotes and pictures and things like that. Adobe In Design is phenomenal if you give yourself permission to learn how to use it. To learn how to use Adobe In Design, you just got to watch a free YouTube tutorial. That's it. And you'll learn how to do Adobe In Design step by step. Now, it is a paid tool, so you do have to invest. So I only recommend it for my girls who are serious about their faith-based author business, right? So all glory to Jesus, I've written and self-published 39 books at the time of this recording, so I definitely invested in Adobe In Design. So only invest in it if you know you are serious about writing and self-publishing your own books. If you are, it's a great investment. If you need help learning how to write and self-publish your own book, make sure you get into Godlywood Girl University TV. It's my online monthly membership program where I teach women of Christ how to start their own faith-based business online as a faith-based author. So in that program, you're going to get the School of Business, which shows you how to go from idea to launched as an author. You're going to get access to my product creation toolkit, which shows you how to create products like books, like courses, like coaching programs, like t-shirts. By the way, you can grab your faith-based author t-shirt by going to godlywoodgirl.com. And you're going to get access to my marketing and traffic toolkit, which shows you how I do marketing on platforms like YouTube, like Instagram, like TikTok. Over 700 video resources on the platform are there to help you start your faith-based business online. So to get started, go to purposelegend.com/school of business. Make sure you use discount code YouTube at checkout to get started, to get 50% off your first month on the platform. Thanks so much for watching this video in my brand new How to Write a Book and Make Money Online series. Subscribe to the Godlywood Girl YouTube channel for more videos just like this one, and comment down below. Let me know which book writing software you're excited to try first. I can't wait to chat with you.